Good writing skills are so important. This month we've been working on editing our paragraphs. These skills help us tell the reader what we're thinking. First we worked on choosing interesting nouns. Then we worked on choosing strong verbs. Today we're going to work on adding descriptive adjectives. Do you remember what an adjective is? An adjective describes a noun. First, let's review nouns. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Boy, girl, teacher, house, church, school, ball, pencil, apple. What is an adjective? An adjective describes a noun. It gives the reader more information about that noun. Let's think about one of the nouns we just mentioned, apple. When you think of an apple, do you think of a red apple, a green apple, a crunchy apple, a sour apple? We can use adjectives to let the reader know exactly what apple we're thinking about. I can say shiny apple, crunchy apple, mushy apple. Yesterday in class, we wrote a paragraph about how to do something step by step. We wrote a paragraph called How to Make a Peanut Butter and Jelly Sandwich. Let's read it together. I'm going to make a sandwich for lunch. First, I will get the bread, peanut butter, jelly, knife, and plate. Then I will spread the peanut butter on one piece of bread and the jelly on the other. Finally, I will put the sandwich together and cut it with a knife. I can't wait to eat it. Now that's a pretty good paragraph. But do you know how we can make it even better? We can add descriptive adjectives to our paragraph. First, we need to underline the nouns because an adjective describes a noun. So I've underlined these nouns: sandwich, lunch, bread, peanut butter, jelly, knife, plate. Then we make room to add adjectives. We write an adjective right before the noun. What kind of sandwich? What kind of lunch? What kind of bread did we use? Was it 12-grain sourdough, white wheat? What kind of peanut butter? Crunchy or smooth? What kind of jelly? Apple, raspberry, grape? What kind of knife? Was it a table knife, a butter knife, a sharp knife, a dull knife, a shiny knife? What kind of plate? Was it a paper plate or a fancy china plate? These are the adjectives that I chose to add to this paragraph. I chose delicious. Do you see these words in red? Delicious, today's. Whole grain bread, crunchy peanut butter, blueberry jelly, table knife, paper plate, sticky peanut butter, fresh bread, sweet jelly, beautiful sandwich. Which paragraph do you think is better? Is it the paragraph that we read together earlier that we wrote in class yesterday? That was pretty good. But listen to this new paragraph now that we have added descriptive adjectives. I am going to make a delicious sandwich for today's lunch. First, I will get the whole grain bread, crunchy peanut butter, blueberry jelly, table knife, and paper plate. Then I will spread the sticky peanut butter on one piece of fresh bread and the sweet jelly on the other. Finally, I will put the beautiful sandwich together and cut it with the shiny knife. I can't wait to eat it. Doesn't that sound better? Now it's your turn. I'm going to give you a sheet of paper that looks just like this, and you will get to add adjectives. Don't choose the one that I used. Choose your own. That's your homework for tonight. And then tomorrow in class, we'll take the paragraph that you wrote by yourself yesterday on how to do something step by step, and you will add descriptive adjectives to that. You will be amazed at how adding descriptive adjectives improves your writing.